Guys, so here's the unboxing of one of the crafts we got from Kroger about I don't know, maybe 3 weeks ago, a couple weeks ago.
Mom, I'm gonna open.
Alright, so we got some stickers and then some stuff that actually makes like the nest and the decorations for the nest. We got a marker and some cute glitter glue. Here's some more of the decorations. Then we got some clay in here to make the little chicks. Okay, so there it is out of its little bag. Here is the clay. Hayden's already getting it started. Alright, so molded that to a ball, and then it's got its little wings on the side. Hayden's working on his. Alright, there's Hayden's. Alright, little googly eyes peel off, and they're stickers. Very cute. Alright, putting the beak on.
Like that?
Yeah, baby. You just push it in.
Like that?
Yeah, it's cute. There you go. And turn it to this side. Super cute. Alright, so we built its little basket out of these. You just fold them one into a circle and one over the top like that, and it makes a basket.
I want to put it in there.
Alright, let's see here. Let's turn it. Hold on. Alright, I think we got it in there, right? Alright, we're missing a little bit of the grass underneath. Alright, we got its little grass in there, and it's sitting on its flowers. I think we did it. I think we did it all here. I'm going to do mine next. Alright. We are, hold on if I can get this to focus here. It turned out pretty cute overall. I think we had a good time. Hayden's already taken off the little eyes and playing with them.
At me.
But, you know, this was fun and cute.
Oh, Mom.
You're funny. Even this came with it. You know, it's just cute and fun, easy and quick.
Pow, 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 pow.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I would do it again. Happy Easter, everyone.